Jordan brand continues refining the Air Jordan 4 RM with the upcoming light cream colorway, delivering a clean and balanced design just in time for fall. Rather than reinventing the wheel, this edition embraces a layered, subtle approach that elevates the silhouette's identity. Built with light cream leather, soft gray suede overlays, and tonal mesh, the shoe blends sophistication with texture. Translucent caging maintains the RM's signature look, while vintage-tinted midsoles and minimal color blocking add a timeless feel. Rich accents like midnight green linings and outsoles, along with the Dark Raisin heel logo, inject warmth and contrast into the muted palette. Quiet yet impactful, this colorway fits perfectly into seasonal wardrobes. Gaining steady momentum since its debut with Nigel Sylvester, the Jordan 4 RM is proving to be a versatile staple. Expect the Air Jordan 4 RM Light Cream to release this fall on Nike.com and select Jordan retailers for $150.